I want to talk to somebody who felt the same way as I did, perhaps, almost thinking that there was a, did they feel the pain, did they feel like that? When we talked, it must have been about an hour we talked first time, and it really was such a wonderful feeling, a relief almost, thinking, oh, she's also got the same thing, she's feeling the same emotions that I'm feeling, and it's okay. I'm not alone. We'll do a check-in to see that everybody's okay, everybody's had something happening to them, so that we don't just have other organisations coming in and giving us lots of different support, but also ourselves. We continue with that.
It's really given me a boost. I would never miss a meeting. My meeting is important. I have to go because by meeting other ladies there or other cancer patients there, we have a laugh, we dance together, we have music parties and stuff like that.
Through Macmillan, we met other support groups. When we used to attend seminars and things like that, we met people or other groups that were non-affiliated with anyone. They were just cancer groups.
There's a bowel cancer group. There's a mixed cancer support group as well, where men and women are joined to go to this group. There are also group for just carers with Macmillan support. They give grant. Up to 4 members can go from a group to go to this conference, and where you meet all other people, different types of cancer and different types of support groups. Macmillan helped set up this group by giving them a small grant.
We were able to actually form a group as ladies, Asian, to get ladies out from their home, from comforts of other things, caring children and all that. This support that we have created has brought a lot of freedom, a lot of choice, support, and a family atmosphere.